Hi, in front of me is Nokia 8.3 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply colorful edges on this device. Firstly, open Play Store and type edges. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it. Tap on one of these themes, for example that one. Name it and tap OK Creative. Close a knot. And over here you can customize your edges however you want. For example, you can change run style, add pattern, change animation speed, border size, and many other things. When you're done but you want to leave your current wallpaper, pick one of these sources, for example photo, choose a photo, adjust it, and tap at the top right corner. When you're done with customizing your edges, click Create, tap on the theme that you created and choose Enable Wallpaper. Then set wallpaper and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of the options. Now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you want to see them when you use apps, go back into the app, choose Home, scroll all the way down and tap on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App. Then click Yes. Tap on the switcher again, go back. Sometimes you have to go back to the app and tap on the switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!